Reliable, harmonized data is the foundation for clean processes, accurate reporting, and confident decisions. With Data Quality Navigator's Matcher AI, you can identify duplicates and substitutes across systems and within systems before they impact operations. Our matching algorithms run regularly and are tailored to the nature of your data. Depending on what you want to harmonize, different methods come into play. Exact equality rules catch clear duplicates like identical VATIDs. Fuzzy matching uncovers near-identical names and addresses. Exclusion criteria filter out false positives, like records from different countries. AI models go one step further by detecting semantic similarities, helping you identify connections beyond just spelling, such as recognizing that two material descriptions refer to the same item. Detected duplicates and data quality issues are presented in a clear insights monitor, including which matching algorithms are used. From there, users move into the workbench to review potential match groups of similar business partners or materials, compare records field by field, and decide which one should become the golden record. Our winner indicator suggests the best candidate based on key factors, like purchase volume for suppliers or demand and inventory value for materials. If deletion is needed, a dedicated view shows all duplicate records along with their attached business value for easy cleanup. Each step is captured in a full decision history, with clear responsibilities assigned to ensure transparency and auditability. Matcher AI brings system-wide data into alignment, making harmonization easy, fast, and reliable.